So now let's have a look at the flipping the bits of a number. So it can be done in a very simple way. What you need to do is just subtract the number from the value obtained when all the bits are equal to 1. So you have to find a number whose all bits equal to 1 means all the bits, if it is a 4-digit number, or you can say a 4-bit number, so it will be 1, 1, 1, 1. So each bit of the number is set to 1. Sounds confusing, right? Let's have a look at the example. Like, for example, say a number is given as a number. You are taking a number. What's the value? A value is a number in which all the bits are set. That means all the bits are 1. How do you get the flipped number? That is value minus number. Let's see the example. If a number is 23, its binary form is 1 mod 1 1 1. After flipping, what you will get? 0 1 0 0 0. And the value will be what? 5 bits one. That is 1 1 1 1 1. And that is equivalent to 31. Okay. Because all the bits are set to 1. I know it's a bit confusing what I told you now, but this is just a glimpse. Let me do one thing. Let me take you to a detailed explanation of it. Now let's have a look at this. This I have written it very simply for you to understand properly. First, what I have done is convert the given decimal number into its binary form. Suppose the number is 23. So the binary form of 23 is 10111. This is a 5-bit representation. Next, how to find out your value? A number with all the bits set. To flip the bits, you need to refer to a value where all the bits are set to 1. In binary, a number with all the bits set to 1 is simply a sequence of 1. That means all ones. If it is a 5-bit representation, all the bits should be set to 1. So the value is equal to now 11111. And in decimal, this corresponds to 31. Now let's flip the bits. How do you flip the bit? Change every 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. So from this operation, what can you do? You can subtract the original number from the reference value. So original number which I gave you was 23, and the value which we learned about or after getting all the set bits to 1, that is 31. So you got 31 minus 23 is equal to 8. Now let's verify the result in binary. So you got this after flipping the bits was 10111 the number. You got 01000 after flipping. So the binary form of 8 is 01000. So I hope you got it. See, after subtracting the value, the number from the value, got the answer 8. And when you flip the 23, the binary representation of 23, when you flip it, you also get 01000. So I hope you understood the concept completely. This is it. This is how you can use binary representation to flip your number.